transaction support because we, as we have seen the cat theorem, it give up what less. Okay. So data is unstructured, unlike the relational database model. Okay. Yes. This one first. So this is a Hadoop file system, HDFS. Okay, it has the block, so probably this one is copied 3 times like that. Then, so this is a one file. Okay, for example, order one customer. Then it has the region server. Region is manage the part of that. For example, storage file. This one is manage the DFS client. This one has the pointer to specific card. So this one, the region server has the sorted by the key of the data, so they can access partially ranges that not the same ranges can use in the relational model. So region by region, you can do the ranges by accessing only this region. Also using the index, you can access the specific data. So this is the idea of. So HBase is actually this one, not this level, low level. Low level, it uses HDFS. Okay. So HDFS is considered as an additional component. Okay. So HBase is actually from the big table from Google, so it can handle the big data. So open source, so it's free to use, and their interface is SQL. Okay, so it's easy to use. So you will have the exercise lab for HBase. Okay, this HBase is already installed for your virtual machine.
And it has an interface?
Yes, it provides HBase prompt. Then you can select data instead of the implementing MapReduce program. There's no real index, unlike the relational database. So atomic partitioning, no automatic partitioning. So which means it's partition table because it uses HDFS. Okay. And scale linearly, automatically with the new node. So you can add one. It's on top of HDFS. Okay? You can just update the regional server. And it's for tutorials because they are using the HDFS. Also good for batch processing, not online transaction. This is the data model. It has the low key. In low key, it has the column family. It's a group of columns. So dynamically changing. And finally, it has the value.
So it has one row, only one row, right?
This is considered one row, but this is not like the tuple in relational model. So group of the data. Then finally, it has the value. Okay. For example, to access such a value, row. It's a family and specific color, even version timestamp, then that is the value. For example, the CNN.com, the com.cnn, and column family is the header, the content, and column is the header, timestamp is the today, then value is the vertical. Just like that. So the data structure of the HBase consists of the master, okay, is responsible for monitoring the region server, okay. Then each region server has the serving request right read scan from the client, and also it's a connect to point to the HDFS, the block. Okay.
Region samples, like different samples, right? According to regions. What is the region sample?
Region server is a program, okay? It's not it can be separate one, but it can be one of the node. It depends on how to set up. But it manages there's a master or master coordinator. This is the coordinator of the HBase, and it receives the request from the client is similar as the name. Then give the information about the region server to the client, then client contact the specific region, sometimes one, sometimes multiple region server. This region server has the region information that include the pointer of the specific data node block in HDFS. That's the overview of the HDFS, and there are more. The NoSQL database, which we can cover in this class. So if you are interested in the details of the NoSQL database, more NoSQL database, it will be covered in the course semester. Okay, and the others are I actually add this slide from the different source. So it's some of them are duplicate, sometimes details, so why don't you read at your home. Okay. There's more information about the NoSQL database, Cassandra, and data model, and so on. Okay, so next class, we will have the exercise lab. So we are going to use the cluster that you already set up one more time. Then the next week we will have the high-band, the Gigabit, the interface, how to access the NoSQL database or the HDFS directly using SQL style language. And however, we will meet the 1 hour earlier, so 12 o'clock in this room, the next Tuesday. Not Thursday. Thursday is the same time for the lab, but the coming Tuesday, the 12 to 2:30.